Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and initial impressions review about the OnePlus 12R device. So finally friends, I did receive the OnePlus 12R in my studio, and recently I'm not that active in my current YouTube channel, so I was kind of busy with my life, so that's why the reason I'm not uploading many videos. So definitely I'll concentrate on more videos in upcoming days on this OnePlus 12R. So let's do the quick unboxing of this OnePlus 12R device. So and right now I do have the OnePlus 11R with me. I'll definitely do the comparison videos with the OnePlus 11R versus OnePlus 12R. So we'll try to see what's the difference between both phones. So let's get started with the unboxing experience of this OnePlus 12R. So here's a quick unboxing review of the OnePlus 12R device, so which has got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. So let me quickly unbox the device and let's see what are the contents we do get inside the box. So first thing, I think we got the case in this package, and it is a OnePlus 12R itself, and this is a 8GB and 128GB variant which I did order. Let me try to show you the charging adapter, so which is a 80 watts charger, so which came along with the box, and there is also a charging cable, so which is a USB to Type-C, so not Type-C to Type-C, this is a USB to Type-C charging cable, so which is available inside the box. And so let's do the quick unwrapping of the device as well, and we'll try to see how his overall phone feels like. And this is a variant which I did order right now. Let me boot up the device and we'll try to see if there is any kind of charge left in this phone or not. But overall, this is a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 12R. So right now the phone did boot up, so let me quickly set up the process in this OnePlus 12R device. So this is day one. So after quick unboxing, I'm trying to do the quick setup process. So SIM to be disabled if you use eSIM, and now let me skip it. So I'm trying to skip everything. Let's go back to the main display. So let's use buttons. So right now this is a quick initial setup process in this OnePlus 12R, so which comes with OS right now. As you can see friends, the phone has been successfully booted up, and we do have the charging of 62% out of the box. After the quick unboxing, there is a charging left in this device, and which is a 128GB variant which I did order right now. So 8GB RAM and 128GB model. So this is a OnePlus 12R device. So it feels pretty good, and I can feel the sharp edges around the camera ring as well here. And the button has been moved to the left side. So before in the OnePlus, I think 11R, it used to be on the right side. Now in the 12R, they did move to the left side, the slider. As you can, that's the one thing, and even the volume button got moved to the right side. So they just swapped the little bit kind of buttons. So all the both phones looks kind of pretty similar regarding overall experience. Even the back side also, the camera ring slightly became a little bit kind of big when compared to the previous 11R device. Slightly kind of big, I can see the difference, little bit big. So this is a quick overall initial experience of this OnePlus 11R device. So stay tuned for more updates guys. I'll definitely post more and more videos, so comparing with the display performance and CPU throttling test, everything I'll try to do in this Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. So meanwhile, stay tuned. Until then, signing off. Thank you for watching and bye.